Hi, my name's Jackie and I work at the Edenwild. I'm the baker here and I've worked here for 3 years. The Edenwild is a 10-room inn in the heart of Lopez Village, overlooking Fisherman Bay, where you can just come escape everyday realities and relax. Baking at the inn is a real pleasure. Every morning the guests come down and you get to make whatever you're inspired to make that day. Some of my earliest memories of baking was actually in middle school and high school when I had friends' birthday parties and I was always the one jumping at the opportunity to make the cake. I just absolutely love the science behind baking and just the detail behind it, and I just really love making people happy with sweet treats. Here at the Edenwild, you feel at home and you're just gonna be able to read a book on the porch or sit by the fire and enjoy everything that Lopez has to offer.